Hey everyone, it's Christina DiMaselli, and it is back to school time. So here is my hack for using checklists in Google Docs. Now the checklist rolled out during the last school year, but I have a hack that I use that might be of use to you. You already know that you have the ability to do bulleted lists. Those are really easy to use. And we have numbered lists, right? We also have this nice checklist. Anytime you click it, it gives you that box that you can check. And when you check that off on your list, it also kind of puts a line through the item and gives you that nice feeling of accomplishment, right? I did this, cross it off the list. There are times, however, I know personally that I want to make a list with those check boxes that I don't want it to be crossed out. I still like to see that text. And here is how I made that happen. When I do this particular one down here, it does not cross everything out. Now, this is a hack. If I right click here, and I'm going to give you the opportunity to guess what I did, you can see that I made it into a table. And in this first column is where all I did was start a checklist. I did have to mess around with the margins a little bit on this in order to kind of center that a little bit. But now when I click on it, it does not give me that line through the text. I can still see it. So if I was doing something where I wanted to do, click here for yes or no, and it was a selection, but I don't want it to cross out yes or no, this is the way that I get around it. Again, I made it into a table, and then in the table properties, you can either change the table border color or you could change the point size on the border. And that will give you a nice clean look. So I hope that's helpful, and have fun.